Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another video. I'm Chef Dino, channel Dino Valbone. Today I'm gonna share with you how I like to make my eggs. No, it's not just another egg video. This is a very easy, simple trick I'm going to show you. It's going to make your fried eggs come out beautiful, tasty, and you're not going to risk breaking the yolk at all. All right, so this part is optional. I have cooked some bacon, and I'm going to make my eggs with some oil and the bacon grease, but you don't have to use the bacon. You can just use oil. Now, I would recommend using either olive oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil. They all will work. So we're going to take the bacon out and I'll show you what the trick is. So I'm heating my oil. I get rid of most of the bacon fat. I just leave maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons in there, and I supplement it with peanut oil. Again, you can use any oil or no bacon. So the trick is to get the pan hot, not very hot, but hot, and then we'll put the eggs in. All right, another thing you're going to need to do this trick is a spoon, a large tablespoon. All right, so my oil is pretty hot here. There you go, that's exactly how you want it, not too hot. How many eggs are you doing? Okay, so I'm just gonna have 1 each. All right, see how much extra oil I have down there? That might be a little too much. Actually, what I'm gonna do is add another one because I feel hungry. All right. Now you see how it's starting to bubble right here? The edges, it's because your oil was hot. If your oil wasn't hot, it wouldn't do that. And here comes the trick that I use. So I tip my pan over and I just pick up the hot oil without burning myself, and I cover the yolk. You try to flip this, there's a chance you're gonna break the yolk, especially this is stainless steel, and things did tend to stick to it. But when you do this with the hot oil, the rest of the egg white, it bubbles up. It's almost like that perfect baked pizza where the dough bubbles up. And you don't have to flip it, and your egg is more presentable when you serve it and it's cooked. And you know, you can do this until you get to the consistency you like your egg. If you like it well done, you can do that. But look at, this is what I'm talking about. Now that's a beautiful omelet. You can call it an omelet. Or easy eggs maybe. See right here, that one's cooking a little faster or more. I'm going to concentrate. That's it. It's fun. It gives you fantastic results. For some reason, it makes your eggs taste much better than scrambled, or if you flip it and you sear the other side. Look at that. Okay, at this stage, I'm gonna add some sea salt, and of course, fresh ground pepper. You can garnish this with chopped up parsley and cilantro, or however, over hash browns, or however you like your eggs. Check that out. To me, this is fun. I enjoy it. All right, look at how they popped up. I'm going to shut the heat now because it's going to continue cooking. This is the consistency we like it. Like I said, it's going to continue cooking. Yeah, I have a little bit too much oil here, but again, no bacon fat, that's fine. Just use enough oil where you have enough in the pan to kind of drench and do that. All right. outside cooked, inside yummy yolk, and that's my trick. Who said making eggs is not fun? All right, try it. Let me know how yours turned out. Remember to like and subscribe, follow. I'll see you in my next video.